Welcome to the city that pulses with energy, where every corner holds a story and every step brings you a new adventure. New York City, a captivating mosaic of culture, dreams, and possibilities. In this travel group guide, we invite you to join us on an exhilarating journey through the iconic streets, hidden gems, and cultural wonders that define this extraordinary metropolis. From towering skyscrapers to serene parks, from world-class museums to mouth-watering culinary delights, get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of New York City. We got to Yvonne Hotel, and it looks like in the room they want you to do some exercise. Oops. It's got a bowl with, but we have yoga mats and everything. It's not bad. I mean, for the New York hotels, I even have a safe, and I like that. Bathroom with a little shower, but at least they have the windows. Look at that, I can do exercises here. I can pull this. I never ever seen a hotel where I can do exercises. Let's see. I guess this is just the court. We're gonna jump ropes. Not bad, a king size bed. This is the Yvonne Hotel in New York. They have so many taxes and fees. In a hotel like, let's say, $100, you're gonna pay $200 because it's everything. Even on the fees, they put taxes. So it's strange, but this is New York. Hello from New York. This is a beautiful sunny day, very sunny here in New York. It's gonna be a very atypical movie and vlogs for me because Ben couldn't come, so I'm here with my mom. So I'm gonna show you New York for a week. We got 5 days, the hop-on bus. It cost us for the 2 people $350. So here we go on the hop-on bus here. And today we're gonna go around the New York Center Park. It's very hot in the bus hop-on in New York. So on the hop-on hop-off bus, one of the museum is including, it's the Museum of the City of New York. And at stop 21 we got it. So we stop here and we're gonna go to see it. It's $20 if you don't have the pass, if you don't get the hop on. But if you do, it's free. So we're gonna go see the Museum of the City. We got the Museum of the City for free. We got the tickets, and now we're gonna go explore. Very interesting. They have it on the years 41 to 60, 29 to 41. What do you think about this museum? Do you like it?
Yes.
This is about the food, the trading, the eating, the product. And I'm gonna go through. It's so cute. It's very interesting. So now this museum's got 3 floors. So now we are going to floor 3, and everywhere they have different rooms, of course, restroom. They have 2 restrooms on ground and 3rd floor, but they have the photography, the fade, the food, the army. Summer night on the street. Enjoy. Sesame Street. Kids playing. Yeah, it's very interesting museum. Some interactive stuff when they have different rooms. My mom, what did you find the crowny here? Oh no, it's not a crown. It's a pendant. It's a gem. I see. This is the Conservatory Garden, and this is where we're gonna enter the Center Park. Center Park is an urban park between the Upper West Side and Upper East Side neighborhood of Manhattan in the New York City. New York Center Park is 842 acres. It's big, it's huge. While we're next to Center Park, my mom got the pretzel and the hot dog. And what I got is a chicken kebab on pita. So this one with my chicken is $20. Let's see if it's good. Ooh, looks so good. And we have a bench here in Center Park. And we're gonna have breakfast lunch. So cute. It's begging for food, and this is one of the bad things you can do. Give them food because they can scratch. So cute. Look at this view. So great, and it's a big metropolis, and you see the water in between and the park. Up here is the train station. I mean, the train is going on top, and we go through the tunnel. So cool. It's so much different, New York versus all the other cities. But we're supposed to get the hop on, and around 6 o'clock they stop. So now we have to go to the subway. We find the subway. So we're at 103 station and Lexington, and we go to check out the subway. Except dirtiness and not elevator, this is what we get. They said when you come to New York to take the subway at least once, and we did it, and it might be the last one because it's pretty busy. So, but it shows on the Google map, even I don't have signal, like they said there are no GPS signal. On the way to Summit 1. So here is around 8 o'clock in New York. Yesterday they took the trash out, and today there is already trash in. We are on the way to Fifth Avenue. Empire Macy's. Empire State Building up there. Here is the Empire State Building up there. We're not going this time because we've been on the last time, so. Here is the gift shop. Starbucks are on each corner. Dunkin' Donuts, Bravo Pizza. Hey, look at the pizza, it looks pretty good. Chrysler Building. I guess we are on the street with the more expensive store. and it's way cleaner than the other streets where they already have the garbage on the street. Last night, the first experience we got to when we got to the hotel, and is it downtown Manhattan, Nicole, even on the 35th Street? Souvenir stores. And again, the beautiful architecture of some buildings, old architecture. I like it much better than the new ones. That's, I believe, the Museum of the Arts. I'm guessing this is the one. It's very tall, the shiny one, and the one ahead is the Chrysler Building. Let's go see. I can't wait to go see the observation deck up there. Empire State Building. So we are inside the room. It looks so scary, like if you look down and up. Everybody's taking pictures with the Empire State Building and Chrysler Building, and but it is scary if you look down with all the lights. And everybody got like these shoes, like plastic shoes. And here, look what we got up here. We are like in different world. My mom is looking at me. It's dark. We are in the second room in these artworks. I don't know what that means, but here you can take better picture than on the other side because it's not that crazy. Look, New York. One of the most influential and popular artists of the 20th and 21st century, Yayoi Kusama, is most recognized for her immense installation of painting that very repetitive element that introduce the viewer to the unique micro and microcosmos of the artist's world. This is my favorite ones with the balloons. So we're gonna go play with the balloons. So this is the summit where you're gonna go to the observation tower, and we just got down from all the way up there. So cool. I recommend it, but I recommend it during the day, so you see New York during the day. Treasures. The treasures right here. Passing by the street, we have bread in here, I guess for homeless. And bagels. Wow. Look at these breads. That's nice of them. It's one of the bakery probably.